Hey friends, Steve Ozis, your go-to guy, all things applications here at Fullerton. Today we're shining a spotlight on one of our esteemed partners, Schunk tool holders. Schunk is a powerhouse in precision clamping. At the heart of this collaboration lies the iTENDO tool holder. This innovative tool holder has revolutionized our product development here at Fullerton, particularly in enhancing chip splitter functionality, spacing, and shape. The iTENDO tool holder provides instant wireless feedback to the machine in cut, identifying troublesome harmonic resonance. With the iTENDO, we delve deep into understanding the intricacies of tool pressure, reduction in tool harmonics. Its precision engineering has allowed us to push the boundaries of performance, putting Fullerton's chip splitter technology years ahead of other manufacturers. From reducing vibration to optimizing cutting processes, the iTENDO has been a game changer in our machining operations. Thanks to Schunk's expertise and the iTENDO's capabilities, we are not just machining, we're innovating. Now let's go to the Makino and see the iTENDO in action.